Hello everyone, this is Steve Morrow's YouTube channel. Just a different approach today, guys. I was watching a video on YouTube today and I saw a guy. He was actually, move my camera here a little bit. He was actually broadcasting right by an ocean. I thought that was kind of a cool thing, so I thought maybe if I start projecting from different areas that might, generate some views or something. But anyways, what's the whole point of this video today was to show you some of the changes I've done to my website recently here. I don't know if any of you remember the old content that I had on here. Might be able to find a quick example here somewhere. I guess I should have this better prepared, but it's getting dark over here, so I didn't want to get blackened out here before the sun goes down. But anyways, I changed a lot of the content on this site. Before it was kind of a little bit more disorganized where you couldn't find anything. I noticed people come on here and they would the abandon rate would be a little bit higher because you couldn't find stuff. So you can kind of see now, nothing is hidden. Everything from the basic videos to the GDK, Java, and even my sections for ASP.NET or whatever, and just explanations on object-oriented design, game modding, Windows, and career section. I kind of put those in their own little categories so that it would be a little bit easier for people to find where they want to go. So many of you might have already checked it out, I don't know. So basically you just click here for the Atari videos, pretty self-explanatory, and from there I broke everything down here. This is the page you're already on, which is what this is right here. So if you click on like another one here, Max 65 game design, it'll take you to that section down here. And then of course you just scroll through them, flashbacks. These are going to show some of the videos actually from my channel already. Just some flashback videos I did. Basic programming, I stuck them all on here. That way you don't have to look up anything anymore. It's kind of all, it's not like you have to go through 1,000 different videos. They're all going to be accessible here by easy category. And I got this idea from a guy on YouTube. He's got the YouTube channel, you might see it, it's called The New Boston. I noticed he was taking a lot of his YouTube videos and he was sticking them on his website where people could easily get to them. Because when I wanted to learn something, I just went directly to his site, and I can show you real quick, kind of promote his site here a little bit. He's pretty cool though. The New Boston it's called. And right here, he's done some really cool things with this. I noticed he also expanded his site a little bit more. But the whole point is all his videos, if you go to computer science, they're all accessible right here where you can kind of look up anything. And everything on his YouTube channel, I believe, is accounted for. So I thought that was kind of cool. And that's the whole point of what I was doing here. The emulators, so if you want to learn about the Atari emulators, you should just go here. And it'll take a minute to load them up. I'm going to condense this to a little bit more later so you don't have to kind of like have a bunch of videos load on one page. I know that'll kind of slow down the stream rate and stuff like that. So I'm getting all these stupid little ads popped up. I recently had done something with my Java, and now these ads are popping up, and I had to enable them because I wanted to get my applets. Let me just shut that down there. Get my applets working on my page, which to kind of go over this, these are the extra videos, so you can kind of play with them. They're all right here. This is the Atari section, of course. If you peek over here, you'll see the Commodore 64 section too. So just click right there for a second. And here's all the Commodore 64 videos for those who already knew. This is just one of the pages I have, but if you want to kind of drill down through them, you can go to videos here. And it's going to break them all down, kind of like the Atari did, basic programming. You click on that. I think this is a pretty massive one. No, that's actually kind of a shorter one. And then you go to assembly language, click on that. Oh, actually I need to fix that. I'll probably have a dead link there somewhere. So I'll fix that anyway. Emulators, same as before. Emulators is a pretty big section, so this has probably got like, I don't know, maybe 12, 13 videos on here, or more. It's taking a while to load them there. So these are all the emulated videos. They're all accessible right there. And of course, we got the games and demos. These are just games that, I found, and I just kind of set them up there for people to see them and stuff. Like some down here, the ones I designed, and just some of the Commodore 64 stuff. And of course, you've got the old game screenshots, which you can still go here. For those who don't know, you can view almost nearly every screenshot I've captured in a game, from library books to everywhere pretty much. My camera's giving out here. But anyways, just thought I would show that to you. Give you a different view if it ever comes back. Yes, because it's getting darker, I think the camera's failing, so I've kind of lowered the range of it. Anyways, it's going to take a while, but you can see all the screenshots, game screenshots there, they all load up. And this is Odyssey, QBasic. So like I said, they're all accessible here now. Dark GDK, I put all my Dark GDK videos up here and I categorize those too. Probably take a while for that to load. I don't know what the slow loading is. I kind of moved everything, portion of my equipment outside to get the different screenshot. And now it's getting dark. Temperature just drastically dropped here and it's already 7:30 here, 7:20. It's about typical time for it to drop in Phoenix. So everything is right here, and here's the Java page. I was trying to get, you see this, I'm trying to get the applets to run here, but for some reason it's not loading my applets yet. To try to get this game to run here, which is, you already see in the video here, you can kind of watch it. But anyways, I just thought that would show that to you. Here's GTA for those who were GTA fans at one time. These are already on here. I put an accessible link on the direct page now. You can just kind of go through the videos here, go through the next section, and it'll take you to the next videos and sequence basically. For some reason my internet is running very slow. It's really weird. But anyways, they're all right there. And then of course you've got the regular stuff on here. So yeah, just kind of let me know, guys, what you think of it and everything, because I just wanted you to check that out. I know many of you I have no idea what my camera's doing. That's really weird. So anyways, I'm going to cut this off because this is really annoying. I don't know what's going on with it. It's acting, I've never seen it do that before. It's like, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's just like jumping all over the place. Well, this turned out to be a disaster anyways. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off because I think I'm beaming up from Earth here, Scotty or something. I don't know what's going on here. So have a good night. Take care. Later, Earthlings.